Welcome to OroraTech's Wildfire solution, your mission control for wildfire detection, monitoring, and decision support. Let's get started. When you log into the platform, your screen is built for clarity and speed. The map takes center stage. It's your live view of fire detections and area data. Menus on the left and right give you quick access to all tools, filters, and settings. At the bottom, you'll find the time selector and map tools, great for exploring past or present wildfire activity. Before we dive deeper, if you ever need support along the way, just head to the Help menu. There you'll find step-by-step guides, or you can reach out directly. We usually respond within 24 working hours. Now, let's look at how the platform keeps you informed. As a user, you will have a designated monitored area or areas. These are the regions where you actively track fire activity. You'll receive alerts for new hotspots and changes in fire clusters or classifications, sent via email or any other channels that you choose. And if you're working with your own incident data, like government reports, cameras, or call centers, you can bring it into the platform too. We call these integrated incidents, and they're clearly marked so you always know the source of your information. Let's look closer at your map now. From afar, you'll spot flame icons. These mark new detections. As you zoom in, they become colored circles, each one representing a hotspot, a thermal detection from a satellite. Hotspots that are close together form a cluster, outlined on the map so you can track grouped fire activity more easily. If you want to see how a fire evolves over time, use the Time Window selector in the bottom right to explore wildfire history or zoom in on the most recent activity of an incident. As you adjust the dates, the map and incident overview will update instantly, helping you stay focused on what matters right now or review what has already passed. You can also use the time slider to understand how a fire is progressing. Watch as new hotspots appear and clusters evolve over time. Find the most useful perspective of your territory by opening the Layers menu on the right to change base maps, add weather overlays, toggle satellite imagery, or display infrastructure like power lines. You can also highlight burnt areas or fuel models to better assess fire conditions. Now let's dive into a specific fire. Click any cluster to open a detailed view, and notice the blue outline that highlights the selected cluster on the map. This is where you'll find everything you need to analyze an event. Here's what you'll see inside the Cluster tab. A timeline tracking the status of the incident. Weather conditions and risk indicators. Satellite passes, both past and upcoming flyovers. A Hotspots tab with a full list of detections for that cluster so you can see where and when each signal originated. An affected area estimate modeled instantly from detections. And a burnt area layer showing confirmed fire damage from high-resolution imagery. You'll also have fire line intensity and FRP to help you gauge how strong the fire is. Finally, land cover distribution will give you a breakdown of the land affected in this incident. If you're ever unsure, just hover over any icon for a quick explanation of what it does and how it can help you. Each cluster also comes with the Fire Confidence Score, a key metric that tells you how likely it is that this cluster is a real wildfire. It factors in satellite type, weather, detection patterns, and fire behavior. The higher the score, the more certain the threat, so you can prioritize the places that matter most to your response plans and your teams. Let's zoom back out again and see the bigger picture. Click the Incidents icon on the left to open the Incidents tab, your real-time dashboard of all active incidents in your monitored areas. It helps you focus, prioritize, and act fast, whether you're planning, responding, or reviewing. You can sort by size, date, confidence, and other metrics. Filter for specific incidents, and you can customize columns to match your exact workflow. Beyond refining your situational awareness, you can also plan ahead with a look into the future. Just below the Incidents tab, you'll find the Fire Spread tool. It lets you simulate how a fire could evolve over the next hours. You can even simulate a spread before it's been detected by satellite by placing a marker on the map. You can adjust parameters like time steps, wind or humidity, and even draw fire breaks to test your containment strategies. It's a powerful way to support planning and have more information to make decisions in advance. And if you want a broader view, open Analytics to explore trends, key stats, and fire impact across your areas. It's built for high-level insights, reporting, and support for your long-term planning. That's all you need to know to get started. Whether you're planning, responding, or reviewing, OroraTech's firefighting tools put wildfire intelligence in your hands. Track what matters, simulate what's next, and always stay a step ahead. And don't forget, if you ever need support, the Help Center is one click away. You can also just message our team directly. Thank you so much for listening. We will see you on the lookout.